guys, we just finished up the City of Saskatoon trailer job here. Let's go and check it out. On the side here, we installed this plug. This plug is to charge your batteries in case your batteries are low. So this is a cabinet that we built. This cabinet encloses everything in regard to electrical aspects of the job. Keeps everything nice and safe. Okay, so starting from the left here, you got your DC breakers. These are like safety switches for both your solar and your battery in case you need to do some maintenance. From there, it goes to the charge controller. The charge controller regulates the flow into the batteries. This is a very high quality charge controller. You got your batteries down here. A lot of storage here for this install. And then from the batteries, we go to the inverter. So the inverter inverts it from DC power to AC. From there, we got the electrical panel. And then we got a couple plugs up in the corner over here. That's the full install. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.